Cardano will go 10x for sure. Undoubtedly, the cryptocurrency market is characterized by uncertainties and preposterous predictions, which most of the times fail. A mere look at Cardano's current situation from a short-term view will defy the possibility of the statement. But when you change your perspective to observe its past and upcoming projects and take a long-term view, what do you see about Cardano? Well, stay tuned to the end of this video to find out. Panic continues to sweep the cryptocurrency market as investors go into a sell-off frenzy after the recent crypto crash. Cardano has not been left out on the current frenzy. Since the month started, Cardano has lost 20% of its value, extending its year-to-date price loss to 54%. The past few days have also seen whales starting to exit their Cardano positions. The exit has been partly blamed on the recent price crash, which has resulted in millions worth of Cardano being withdrawn. Explaining the exit of whales, many have speculated that they're exiting crypto to invest in much newer projects. It is okay to blame the market crash on month-long global inflation. Recently, the US Federal Reserve announced measures to address inflation by raising rates. This has resulted in investors digging deeper into investing in cryptocurrency projects. The Greed and Fear Index has also shown that investors are in extreme fear over their investment due to the current conditions. Increased risk and fear in the markets have resulted in the latest sell-off of cryptocurrency assets. However, Cardano is one of the cryptocurrencies that continues to develop its ecosystem. It is considered one of the busiest platforms this year. As a result, ADA is one of those altcoins that investors eye in the crypto space. Amid the present bearish market, one of the cryptocurrencies investors are looking forward to for a bullish run is ADA. Due to the increase in global crypto population by 178% in 2021, Cardano was positioned in such a way that it allows itself to be adopted through the ability of its users to create other native assets in the blockchain and complete transactions without the smart contract. This enabled it to have over 2.5 million native tokens presently. Also, ADA investors received over 200% return on investment in 2021. Moreover, it seems like Cardano's Alonzo Upgrade significantly impacted investor sentiment. The upgrade is about smart contract features and addresses what critics labeled as one of the network's most glaring deficiencies. This year, the Cardano network is one of the most active cryptos regarding technology advancement. According to Cardano experts, Cardano has established itself as the best Ethereum killer during the previous years. ADA has been a fantastic investment for new and existing investors based on price activity. You must understand Cardano's long-term performance and price forecast before investing. Generally, no one knows if a cryptocurrency will be a profitable investment, and if you believe in ADA's long-term potential, be ready to stick with your investment despite the ups and downs. Cardano's price will increase in future years as it gains mass usage. Although it's unclear whether market capitalization of ADA will expand much, one thing is for certain: the anticipated price will increase. Also, due to various factors, Cardano's price is predicted to surge this year, regardless of the current situation. Cardano is expected to enter the institutional adoption circle shortly. The investment's worth will increase as it grows. The market's focus on supply and demand is expected to put ADA on the upfront. Its ecologically friendly attributes boost its growth and distinguish it from the Bitcoin and Ethereum craze. The crypto network has also gotten a software upgrade, putting it in direct competition with Ethereum. So, what do you think? Will Cardano really go 10x? Well, you're probably thinking about the answer based on Cardano's current survival. Well, it should survive just fine over the long term. This is based on several growing fundamental aspects of cryptocurrency. Right now, things do not look pretty for ADA, as it has gone through such a rough time, and there is no way to ascertain when things will turn around. As a result, it makes sense for every investor in Cardano who already has a stake in crypto to take a long-term view. Long-term investors in cryptocurrencies should take a second look at Cardano, especially given the increase in its fundamental and technical aspects and features. Investors who are inclined to invest in cryptos are very used to volatility. This can be much higher than those in stocks and bonds. Instead of this, the novice investor who is looking to put some money into ADA crypto should take heed not to over-allocate and only invest the money they can afford to lose. This is the golden rule. Despite the recent downturn in the crypto market and struggles in Cardano's prices, the network is still on track to deliver the scheduled Vassal Hard Fork project. So what is the Vassal Hard Fork project? Is this the evidence that is needed for it to go 10x? Some believe that this project will push Cardano to new heights this summer. The Cardano Plutus smart contract platforms, both based on ADA, are set to get a tremendous boost in June with the debut of the Vassal hard fork. The Cardano development team seeks innovative scaling methods like every other popular blockchain. Cardano plans to scale its base protocol through sharding without compromising decentralization or security, and Vassal hard fork will do the magic. The Vassal hard fork is meant to introduce new Cardano improvement proposals to be launched. It is believed that these protocols will send total value locked on the network upwards. These upgrades will result in bullish Cardano price predictions, permitting the token to experience a much-needed recovery. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, posted a YouTube video on his channel. He explained the new update to make Cardano better, even after the Vassal hard fork. Specifically at the start of the video, Hoskinson mentioned that he was preparing for the upcoming Consensus 2022, which will take place in Austin, Texas from June 9th to 12th. With this development, Cardano's IOG team is working towards offering new products and features to its users, such as an app store, a new lightweight wallet, and bridges that will allow for moving assets from a layer 1 chain to separate sidechains. The IOHK update revealed that the details of the Vassal launch and Cardano have prompted social dominance. With the increase in dominance on social media, the Cardano ecosystem can expect the volume to shoot up shortly. The increase can also establish an indefinite impact on ADA prices, just in time for the Vassal hard fork. A Twitter user posted that NFT sales on Cardano hit $27 million in April, which Charles Hoskinson acknowledged. In another NFT update, the IOHK report suggests the addition of 800,000 NFTs to Cardano in late March of 2022. The increase in the number of minted pieces of non-fungible art and projects is linked to the Cardano's network growth. Cardano has already inked some notable partnerships with universities, governments, and businesses, including the University of Illinois, Ethiopia, and New Balance. Hoskinson has pushed hard to see Cardano's potential come to fruition in Africa, where he believes blockchains can make a huge impact. This is partly due to the large proportion of Africa's population being unbanked. So, will Cardano go 10x in the face of its competitor, Ethereum? While Cardano and Ethereum aim to achieve similar goals, they do it in very different ways. Arguably, its biggest downfall, Ethereum uses a proof-of-work consensus model to verify transactions. This is extremely energy intensive and can only handle around 15 transactions per second. Conversely, Cardano can theoretically handle thousands of transactions per second, allowing for far better scalability. This being, Ethereum has far more developed ecosystems than Cardano. Cardano's smart contracts don't work yet, so there are no NFTs, decentralized exchanges, or decentralized lending platforms on its blockchain. Even once these programs are released, they will take time to gain the liquidity and adoption seen by Ethereum's blockchain. What's more, Ethereum plans to transition to a proof-of-stake network within the next year. Once this happens, much of Ethereum's scalability problems will now be fixed. At the end of the day, a bet on Cardano is that its ecosystem will develop before Ethereum transitions to proof-of-stake. It remains to be seen whether Cardano will outrun Ethereum 10x, or both will maintain the same high position in a win-win approach. Nevertheless, Cardano is undoubtedly one of the more promising applications in the blockchain space today. Would you like to share your thoughts on this? Well, let us have them in the comment section below. And of course, be sure you click the subscribe and the bell button.